pastel is one of the must-buys from Cagayan de Oro, and I was decided to forego the standard pastel brand, and I've opted for Missy Bonbon, which had a cutest packaging. Bread was soft and very custard inside, while sweet was not cloying after having refrigerated the pastel. Aside from pastel, Missy Bonbon is very known for their gelato. But wait, there's more! Missy Bonbon offers a lunch and dinner menu. So come visit Missy Bonbon right now.